People say me I bring this our brother Yul Edochie right talk for una wetin he talk about Lagos State. He say why people go dey say Lagos State no be Yoruba land. He say why people go dey say Lagos State na no man's land. He say why would they talk like that? He say make we stop that, you know. Who no know Yul Edochie? Yul Edochie na our star, our superstar, our Nigerian Nollywood actor who marry na he marry May Edochie, Judy Austin. When they scatter the table, when they tear online, na him who supposed to fight come out as a president because of Judith abi wetin na dey call am. E no come make our brother Yul Edochie come out as president. Many of us we be put eye for our brother Yul Edochie, but when say he na next president now, he don come out come talk. He say how would they open our mouth say Lagos no be Yoruba land? Would they talk and say Lagos na no man's land? My people, una no come for me, no be me talk am. Na the right when our brother who say he was supposed to be president, next president, come go marry Judith Austin. Wants to show me their take cast. Now he right am. He say, man, I not talk am again. Say Lagos na Yoruba land. My people, wetin una think? Maybe truth my own for inside Echo Meme. That is true. Wetin our brother talk. This one he enter. Na true. Lagos state na Yoruba land. We no fit drag am. But the other part make say Lagos state, if na Yoruba land, we are one Nigeria. E just be like Edo state now. Even use a Yo state take up. Say Anambra. He say how person go come Anambra? He go say Anambra no be that is Igbo land. He say person go just talk and they say Anambra na no man's land. He say whether una go take am. He say he don stay Lagos for long years. Since 2011 na he enter Lagos. He don build house for Lagos. He don do a lot of things for there. He say he never ever see any tribalism, any he no be Yoruba. He say they not ever do. He say if he dey work, if he's jam boy, he say they go bend down, greet him. They go put their two hands together, greet him. Now this one me they find. Now this one me they talk every day. We are one Nigeria. We should stop the tribalism. We should stop say you are not Yoruba, you are not Igbo, you are not Edo, you are not this. Me, I don't like that. Right from time, I'm against it. We are one Nigeria. As far we are one Nigeria, how can a Yoruba man be pursuing a Igbo man? How can Igbo man be pursuing a Yoruba man? If una come pursue each other, where una can't go? Una go Ghana, Ghana go say una not be Ghana. Una go Cameroon, Cameroon go say una not be Cameroon. Where una can't go? Now this one me not really understand. You there your own Nigeria that they say, and you be Igbo, and you be Edo, and you for what? My people, I don't know how they do other people's body. For me, they get as they do me for body. Like say, if I get the opportunity, if I get the power to just fit take, just to control everything, my people are for doing, because sometimes those things they pay me. I don't know whether they pay now. But what this my brother, Yul Edochie really talk. Now true he talk. Now 100%. I don't follow and drag us. Now they drag her with Judith Austin. This one, nobody will follow a dragger. In fact, in na tokai Yoruba, now they get Lagos State. But Lagos State, any part of, if I know be only Nigeria, all kind of human being in the Lagos State. All kind of people in the Lagos State. Lagos State, that they see Lagosians. Lagosians, they know who come the day inside Lagos like that again. Now all those stranger, the full Lagos, we the outside Nigeria, we still dey the Lagos. You see, now all those things, our wolf they talk, but now Yoruba get the land. E no me say Yoruba now they get the land. Say we are not one Nigeria, we are one Nigeria. Nigeria, God get reason when it take bring us come out for Nigeria. If you be, I want send message to many of my country, my Nigeria people, whether na Nigeria or Africa people. As Lagos be now, anybody when they stay Lagos, whether na Nigeria, whether na another country, we are one. We are one. We are one human being when God create. The other one when wants to talk for inside, whether na Lagos, whether na Yoruba, we jam each other for Lagos land. Please, may we not they say, here no be your Lagos, here no be your country, here no be your state. May you go your state. It's not good like that. I beg. May we try. May we know what we they talk. You pursue person for here today, you pursue person for here. I no understand. For me, I no understand. Wetin my brother talk, God will bless you, bro. You know, see, I wish now you be our president now. I forget hope. I forget 100% hope for all of this right. When you write, you just win my heart. I forget hope. I'll say yes, Yul Edochie, our Nollywood actor. In fact, e go change Nigeria. Eh? This word when you just talk, so when you say make we stop tribalism, I mean we really stop am. Make we stop am. E no good. Make we start tribal. Make we really stop am o. This one go say this one no be Yoruba. I don first still talk am just now. Wetin this our brother talk, e make sense. E make sense. As he don dey, now he don dey Lagos, he don build that, don do everything. Person go just tell, no, you know, Naija, Africa. I no understand. Na make me sometimes if I dey talk am say, we the Nigeria, we still dey do ourselves. You no be this, you are this. You no be this, you are this. Yes, na Lagos, Yoruba get Lagos, my brother. Yul Edochie, if you jam this my video, I join you. It's true. Na Yoruba get Lagos, but Lagos na all kind of people dey stay there. Yoruba, all kind of tribe for Nigeria na dey dey in Lagos. Then some part of Africans, they still full Lagos. You see, everybody, anybody na dey Lagos. Lagos na they just dey talk am say Lagos na no man's land. They talk am, but na Lagosians, na Lagos na dey get Yoruba. As you just first talk say person no fit come Anambra say na no man's land. Say na no take am, nobody go take am. You know, we all know say Lagos na Yoruba land. But we are one. May we stop the hate. May we stop the tribalism. May we come together. Now people when come together, na things they work for. You they carry mind. This one they carry mind. Not supposed to be like that. May we not let all those politicians spoil our mind. Oh, we are one Nigeria, and we are one human being. We are one Africa, one Nigeria. Okay. Thank you, my brother Yul Edochie, for this thing, for this your right talk. In fact, he enter my liver echo memo. I say no, I need to jump. I need to talk and say our brother Yul Edochie don't throw away one. Now don't hear, never hear. I beg, go Instagram, go read wetin he drop, and I still put am for you. If you still read them, okay, my people. If today na your first time I'm coming across this my channel, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I dey upload video, go dey get to you. Bang. Yes, so if you don't know Yul Edochie, may I still introduce am once again. Yul Edochie na our superstar, our Nollywood actor. Yes, our Nollywood actor. His father, I fed the art, that is Peter Edochie. Yes, he fed the art before this his son he enter take over. Yes, so na popular superstar of our Africa country, Nigeria. I believe many African countries they know him. He just dey scatter social media now with in fact, may I put on for SY, they don't avoid it now with May Edochie. You know, Judith Austin just snatch down from May Edochie hand. Now the man now throw away some big word. When he knock my head, I bring her come and say, my people, no be only me want go hear this. Talk when he throw away. Now I take bring her come. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.